Make it circle. And this, another circle. First make it circle like this. Another circle like a little bigger. Okay. Like this. And create a character. With closed eyes. See, like this. This is really amazing, no? This is how looks the old woman. That is, the eyebrow line is so bigger, like this, and nose is nosy. Okay, like little bigger. Because the old man, the mother of this character, just can imagine that how nicely creating this character designer. So hairstyle, such a beard, long. Okay. The chin parts. It's the old man, so this is very important to this part. That's almost I entered the circle these things. Circle things. That is creating amazing character designing, honestly. Hello, so? আচ্ছা 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 না প্রবলেম প্রবলেম ওই জয়েন করতে পারে কিন্তু যদি মনে করে এখন জয়েন করতে পারে আর ওটা 45 একটা ক্লাস আছে বাচ্চাদের সেখানে জয়েন করতে পারে বিকেলেও জয়েন করতে পারে 6টা থেকে একটা ক্লাস আছে কেমন হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ প্লিজ 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 সেম সেম লিখি জয়েন করেন কেমন ওকে থ্যাংক ইউ so creating this like this. Okay. So the face is very funny. More funny, I feel the hairstyle is more funny. It's like a tree kind of white tree. No more monkey jumping on the bed. My baby is hearing the Dave and Neva and Coco Melon on Kids YouTube channel. And is always singing this dum 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 dum. And my baby's mother also singing the song at the same time. So here is showing very nice the characters' dresses. The grandmother is wearing some t-shirts. This is amazing. Usually grandmothers, so old women, here showing is just wearing t-shirts like a baby. Like this, it's really amazing. I hope you guys enjoy the character design of the session. And I like it. I like it. This is ah, একটা তৈরি বাহ মামা হুম কালকে জল ভেতরে পড়ে গেছে হ্যাঁ না ট্যাঙ্কের জল ভরে হবে পড়ে গেছে তাহলে
না পড়েনি এক ফোঁটা আমি কন্টিনিউ দেখছি
ভেজা ছিল
কোনটা ভেজা ছিল
বাইরেটা
না পড়েনি
বুঝছি
আমি তখন থেকে দেখছি তুমি ওইখানটা দেখো ওইখানটা দেখবেন ওখানটা ওরা জল ফেলে না ওটা ধুয়ে যায় তাই ওখানটা ভিজে যায়
আপনি দেখতে সন্ধ্যেবেলা জল পড়ে
সন্ধ্যেবেলা আমরা পাম্প চালাইনি পাম্প আমরা চালাইনি সন্ধ্যেবেলাতে তুমি বললে নাকি ঠাকুর বন্ধ করে দিই সকালবেলা চালাবো So can you see?
So that's the next character says baby. This is amazing. I show the next character. baby characters mostly subtle. Baby character mostly subtle.
Sir, can you see?
Yes, I see. Yeah. This is the nose. I can make some little bit of shadings of this and that. This looks more amazing. So in this case, we have developed the sketching skill in this session, and it's the baby character is mostly the oval. Mostly it is the oval character. You know, it looks like oval. Like this. Like this. See, this lines I'm creating this exactly this different distance is unique a little bit, okay? Upper line should be very dark. Low line is little, and eyebrow till up, like this, but the long nose. You know, the nose is the part of body which is very slowly progress, you know. The kid's nose is very small. The old man is nose is very big. That because that this is a and this the old man has have no teeth and a baby also very close. The old man and baby, you know, it's a very nose and so see this is the old man. This is the one teeth and two teeth like this. Rest of the teeth is not there. Imagine this is thousands years ago. How survived that without baby foods, lactose or something, you know, all the baby foods. They're eating this directly meat or egg, some animals or birds, some birds they eat, not animals. So we are creating this hairstyle is amazing. Okay. His hairstyle is amazing, honestly. I can straight over here. Understand? Camera na, Dilpika na. Understood, beta? This is now. And this hairstyle is like this. Okay, this big hair. The animations movie called The Cruise here. The hair starts from very close to this eyebrow. So one thing is very important here to learn, creating the character maximum the shape of oval or circle, and when I show any character I'm using only this two pose, circle and uh, oval. So this is the baby and the old man, how different both characters.